In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Kajabi free trial for 2025. If you're considering exploring Kajabi's platform, a free trial is a fantastic way to get started. With this trial, you can test out all the exciting features that Kajabi has to offer before making any commitments. Let's walk through the steps to make sure you get the most out of your free trial experience. Firstly, you'll want to decide which type of trial is right for you. Kajabi offers the option of a standard public trial, but if you're looking to extend that a bit longer, you might want to seek out an extended promo. These are typically available through official partner or affiliate links, which often provide a 30-day trial period. Just remember, as with any promotional offer, it's important to carefully read the terms and conditions to understand exactly what you're signing up for. Once you've decided on the type of trial, head over to Kajabi's website. You can do this by typing kajabi.com into your web browser. Once there, you can either navigate to the pricing section of the site or simply click on the prominent Try Kajabi or Start Free Trial button that should be clearly visible on the homepage. This will lead you to the sign up page where you can begin the process of starting your trial. Next, you will need to choose which plan you would like to test out. Kajabi has different plans such as Kickstarter, Basic, Growth, or Pro. These names can vary, so check the current options on their pricing page. It's essential to select the plan that aligns best with your needs, as this will give you a glimpse into the platform's capabilities during your trial period. After selecting a plan, you will need to create an account. This involves entering your name, email address, and other necessary contact information. Kajabi's registration process is straightforward, and they'll guide you through the initial setup steps once you begin. Be sure to fill out your details correctly to avoid any issues later on. Now, here's an important step: adding a payment method. Even though it's a free trial, Kajabi requires you to enter credit card details to activate it. Don't worry if you see a validation hold on your account, as this is simply to confirm your card's validity and is standard operating procedure to prevent fraud. Once your card is validated, the hold will typically be reversed. Finally, you're ready to start exploring. Click the Start Free Trial or its equivalent to gain access to the Kajabi dashboard. From there, you can delve into building your website, crafting landing pages, setting up product tools, and even experimenting with checkout pages. Use this trial period wisely to build a test product and get a real feel for what Kajabi has to offer. And that's it! You're now set to explore Kajabi during your free trial. Make sure to take advantage of all the features available to you and see how they fit your needs. Enjoy